Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So in order to do that, first we need to use the charger and the USB cable that should be included in the box. So let's take a look how it looks like. Over here I have the box, and inside the box we should also find the charger and the USB cable. And if you take a look at the charger at the top over here, we should have the USB slot that should be used by us. So we should use the cable and then put it into the charger. Now let's get the phone back. To demonstrate how it looks like, over here I have another charger which also has the USB entrance, and we also have the cable, so we need to pretty much put in the cable into the charger, and then we need to plug it to get the power, of course. At the end of that cable we have this entrance, which is USB-C, and then at the bottom of the screen over here, or actually of the smartphone over here, we have the entrance for the USB Type-C cable. So we need to plug it in, and there we go. And now we are charging our Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.